The dragon.
Got her tied up. I'm not sure how it's gonna be in the end. Turns out we don't really need these pulls and pulleys. It's just so easy to push. I left it open so they could go in there last night and feel out how it feels with the roof off. It's kind of windy right now, and it might just blow shut on its own. Alright. What we have is highly specialized tool.
Wow. Where'd you buy that?
Highly specialized tool co. Oh wait, this is the hand side.
Looks like you're having a ball. I see you. Walls have darkened since I was last here.
Yeah. It's actually nicer than the house, I think. Alright.
And then you have, what's your wall solution for this part here?
There's 3 pieces that fold down. They're hinges on the outside. And they're over here. They're insulated. I'm going to trim them out. But they're done except for some trim that'll sort of unify them with the other. Look at this guy.
Seems like a, oh, I was going to say a good omen, but then I remembered our garden.
It's a paradise for grasshoppers right now.
And then this part over here, what would this be?
This is just what we needed to support the rails. They needed a very rigid wall.
And then it's a carport maybe?
Well,
Is that what they're
a
going to use
small
it?
car in there. We used wood from a big pile of discarded boards that were here from an old corral or something.
Yeah, it looks good. It's a fun solution.
That's the stuff you help me power wash.
Yeah. Storage.
Opportunity to use the extra stuff. That's we made all those objects up there behind you, which we're going to probably use as supports for benches.
That makes sense.
But that's what I call insurance mud. I ran out of mud on my first pour when I was 20. And that never happened again.
Lots of blossoms out there today.
Lots of blossoms. Been stirring the pace as we got here.
Doctor recommended. There's such a thing, paint that's doctor recommended. And why is that? Because it's a safe coat. Low odor.
Doctor recommended.
not a lot of toxic output there. It's
Yeah.
great.
These are the